A DVD player is a device that plays DVDs produced under both the DVD video and DVD audio technical standards. Two different and incompatible standards. Some DVD player will also play audio CD. How does a DVD player work? A DVD player is an electronic digital video device. A small motor rotates a flat plastic disc that has been stamped with a digital code representing video and audio data. The data is sent and translated by a television. A DVD player operates similarly to a CD player. What can go wrong with a DVD player? Like CD players, DVD players are relatively trouble-free. You can clean the machine, replace cords, and replace faulty motors, belts, and tray. More often, problems with DVD player are caused by faulty DVD discs, either damaged or dirty. How can we identify a DVD player problem? If the player does not work at all, make sure the power supply is on at the outlet. Check the electrical cord and replace it if necessary. Remove the housing and test the fuse and test the on-off switch. If the player works but produces no picture or sound, check the connections to the televisions. If it still doesn't work, check and clean the objective lens.
The problem of our DVD player is that the drawer won't open. We search on the internet what might be the cause why the drawer won't open. So this is what we see. Step 1. Turn off your DVD player. You do not want to risk electrical shock while working with it. Step 2. Locate your DVD player's manual eject button. It is usually a small hole located underneath the DVD drawer. Step 3. Insert a stiff wire such as a paper clip or safety pin into the hole. Push gently and the drawer should open partway. Gently pull the drawer the rest of the way open. Step 4. Remove the DVD and see if there is a problem with it. Most DVD player drawers get stuck when a DVD wrap or the label is starting to peeling. If the DVD is wrapped, discard it. If the label is peeling, remove the label. Step 5. Turn your DVD player back on. If it gets stuck again on a different DVD, then the problem may be with your DVD player rather than within your DVDs. There are some causes of why the DVD player tray refusing to open. It could be due to the accumulation of dust in the inner section of the tray. Also, you may have inserted a damaged, out-of-shape disc in the tray that prevents the tray from opening. The tray mechanism may have become faulty through overuse. We do troubleshoot and we clean the entire DVD and we remove the drawer and search what may be the problem, and we see that there's a label that gets stuck, and we also clean the drawer because it is old and overused. Maybe that was cause also why our DVD player won't open. So that's the problem of our DVD player.
Power supply board is a basic essential interface for regulating and supplying power to the connected components. The female barrel jack connector on the power supply board acts as the input terminal, and the terminal blocks on the board enables you to connect to the component using the male breadboard wires. A SCART connector is used to connect two electronic devices such as a television set and a video cassette recorder or VCR or DVD player. Each device has a female 21-pin connector interface, a cable with a male plug at each end. It's used to connect the devices. An optical system consists of a succession of elements which may include lenses, mirrors, light sources, detectors, projection screens, reflecting prisms, dispersing housing, devices, filters, and thin films, and fiber optics bundles. Disk drive mechanism or laser onto a single track of the disk. As the disk rotates, the laser beam ensures differences in the way light is reflected off the polycarbonate layer on the bottom of the disk, converting it to the sound. Main control board. This is the brain of the DVD player. It processes all information and sends and receives signal. It is directly connected with the audio and video output. But sadly, it doesn't contain the parts of that worth salvaging except connectors if you need them. There is some clip placed into socket, but I didn't manage to find the data sheet for it. The front board contains many parts that are definitely worth salvaging. There are LED display, IR sensor, push button switches, and the USB port. The LED display can be used in many projects because it contains 4 digits, colon, and special characters like DVD, CD, pause, play, MP3, MP4. These parts can be used in all kinds of the project. I give you another steps of how to repair a DVD player. First, clean a DVD disc. Hold the disc by the central hub and outside edge. Blow dust from the bottom surface with a can of compressed air. Second, service a DVD player disc tray. Opening the housing by removing mounting screws and anything blocking the tray. Press the open and close control to the extend tray, then unplug the unit. To remove a clip-on tray front, brace the tray and slide the panel to one side. Unplug cables between the front panel and the interior. Remove any screws securing the front panel and remove the panel. If it won't move, check beneath it for clips or additional screws. Remove the hole down on top of the disc tray and gently pull the tray out of the player. Clean the travel rail and guides with a swab dampened with denatured alcohol. Lubricate lightly with white lithium grease. Remove the drive belt using gloves or tweezer. To inspect for dirt, water, or damage, clean with the lint-free cloth moistened with the denatured alcohol. If the belt is damaged, replace it. Service a DVD tray motor. Unplug the player and test the motor with multimeter. Unplug the motor plug and spray it with electrical contact cleaner, then plug it back in. To remove the motor, unscrew or depress the end of each bail and lift out the motor. Replace the motor if necessary. Clean the DVD player objective lens. Remove the housing and lift the hold-down clamp to expose the lens. Remove dust with can, air, or soft brush. If needed, use a foam swab or camera lens tissue damp with lens